Now, you're going to come up into your handstand by moving the shoulders forward over your hands. And then inhale, you're going to find the vertical line, all right? You have to initiate your handstand back bend from as straight a handstand as possible. Otherwise, you run the risk of compressing the joints of the spine. Inhale, jump. And all the way up. So first, you just really pause, get your balance. And now slowly, chest forward. Move the chest forward. Pivot at your belly button, look up. Slowly, chest forward. Forward, forward, forward. Inhale. Separate your feet a little bit. Reach, hang in your shoulders. Hold, hold, hold. And then bend. Slowly, shoulders back. Slowly, exhale down. Okay, so that's the first step. Inhale. Come on up. I recommend you repeat that between 3 and 5 times. Just go up, slowly down, and that's going to help you get the movement, the articulation of how to control the back bend or land in the back bend.